Now my people, Raul TV team, R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again, and what I'm doing this time round is I've got a Kia Picanto here on a 2013-14 kind of thing, Kia Picanto, and we're gonna go ahead and replace the driver's side front seatbelt, that is, okay? Shouldn't be that hard. It's a complete mechanism, right? So everything should come off all in one. We'll replace it all in one, and it should be okay. The hardest bit, I think, is taking all the you know, the covers and things off. Well, the actual job shouldn't be that hard. Anyway, let's go, let's do it. All right, okay, the first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna go under the bonnet here, open the bonnet, and we're gonna take the battery lead off, one of the battery leads off, because the seat belt and everything, we don't want the airbag or anything like that flying off and hitting us on the head and everything, you know. Yeah, it will be comedy, but yeah, we don't want that, because road trip coming up, and I don't want to be injured before the road trip. Right, anyway, so let's take one of the leads off, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I think it's somewhere in here, the seatbelt mechanism and everything. So what we need to do is, first things first, just shift this rubber out of the way, this one here, as you can see there. Get a flat screwdriver or some panel removal tools or whatever you've got, and just move this rubber out of the way. There we go, just there we go, there we go, out we go. All right, that's off, out of the way. Okay, that rubber seal is out of the way. We'll go around to this side here, pull this, we give this a little pull up, so that should come off. There we go, we can leave it like that. And then this one here, that should come away as well. There we go, it is moving away. There we go. If I can see the seat belt anywhere. Yeah, it's down there, as you can see that it's down there. Right, so what we need to do is we'll leave it there for now. Okay, we need to take this panel off here where it says airbag. So I think that this should just pull off, if I'm not mistaken, just like that. Give it another pull here. There's little clips, so just be careful. Give it a pull out. I need to get both hands on this, guys. I'm just going to pull this, yank this out, and it should be all right. All right, guys. So as you can see here, I've give this a little yank, and there's a little 10mm there, just in there. Right, we need a 10mm socket ratchet extension. We'll take that off, and hopefully this little panel here where it says airbag will come away, and happy days after that. Plain sailing. Right, so as you can see there, that 10mm is off. This panel moves out of the way, and there's only 2 anchor bolts, or 3, you could call it 3. One there down here, right? Okay, there's one here, right, and one holding the actual mechanism. Oh, there you go, sorry about that. One actually holding the mechanism, which is down there. Right, so first off, let's take this one off. They're all 14, I think. Let's go ahead and take them off. So we'll take this one off, which is a 14mm. Next bolt is this one, 14 again. We'll go ahead and take that one off. Right, the next job for us, guys, we've taken this bolt off, obviously. We're taking the bottom anchor bolt off as well. If you want to take this complete panel off, it's entirely up to you guys, but you know, that's a lot of work basically, so I'm not bothering. We can gain access to that, no problem whatsoever. We're gonna go ahead and take the airbag wire off. Okay, I need 2 hands to do this, guys, so I'm not gonna mess about in case I break the end of it, and then that's it, we've got a big problem. So that orange little clip there, we flick that clip off first. Okay, and then what we do is we just pull the plug off. That's the only way we do it. Right, so I don't know if Stuart can. Hang on. Right, so if Stuart can just push that this way for me. Just there. So I can show the viewers. What we do, we get a little pick. All you do is just pick that off there. You can see that. Pick it off there. Pick it out there as well. On this side. So we pick the orange bit off first, guys. Then what we do is we just pull the wire. If I can do that, is there we go. It will play ball. There we go. So we pick the orange bit off first. As you can see there, the orange bit's just come off first with the pick, and there we go. And then just pull it out. That's it. That's the airbag disconnected. We've already disconnected it from the battery side, so it shouldn't go off anyway. But there we go. The airbag is disconnected there. All we do now is take that 14mm bolt off. Take that 10mm bolt off there on the anchor there, and that's it. This seatbelt should come straight off. Right, let's do it. Let's go. Right, okay guys, both bolts are off. The 10mm is off from the top, the 14mm is off from the bottom, and now all we do is we just maneuver this out. Hopefully it'll come out without taking the full cover off. Hopefully it'll just come out without moving taking the cover off totally, this panel off. But I'm just going to move this with one hand, take it off with the other hand. Happy days, it should come off. Okay guys, so there's the new one. Just fit it in reverse order, exactly the same way we took it off. That's the way you put it on, so basically you can't really get it wrong. So yeah, just give me a minute. Right, so I've got the 10mm on there, as you can see there, 14mm on there, right there. What my finger is there. It just goes straight in. Obviously you just have to move this cover back unless you take the complete cover off, which makes your life even easier. It'll go straight on. Yeah, just tighten them two up first. We'll tighten them up properly, them two, right, and then that way the seatbelt should come out. At the moment now it's not coming out. Well, it is coming out, but it locks up sometimes, you see. So just tighten this one up, tighten that one up, and then we'll go from there.
Can you put handbrake?
Right, okay guys, all the covers, everything is back on, as you can see there, except for that cover, that is. Right, everything is on. I put a cable tie in there, so it just helps me out a little bit, so it doesn't keep on going backward and forward, basically. Right, we've got this bolt on here, right, and just tighten this one up here, this anchor bolt here. Put that cover on, and that's it, job done. Alright guys, so that's it. That's how we replaced the seat belt on a Kia Picanto 2013-14, dead easy. If everything comes off nice and easy, it is easy. The only hard bit is taking the covers off. But besides that, all good. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Tried my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV Team R4UL. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Hey, will you look at that? Yes! Saturday road trip is on. We'll see you then.